Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the first question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here, radii of three circles are given. We have to find the circumference of these circles. Now, what is a circumference? It is the length of the boundary. And if we know the radius of a circle, then the formula for finding its circumference is 2 into pi into r. That is 2 pi r. If you want to know how we get this formula, I have uploaded one video regarding the circumference of a circle. You can go through that. Now let us do one by one. Here radius is 14 centimeter. We have to find circumference. So let us write given radius r equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, circumference C equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into, here pi is given 22 by 7. That is 22 divided by 7 into r is 14 centimeter. Here we can cancel 7 and 14. 2 7s are 14. That is equal to 2 into 22 into 2 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into 22, that is 44 into 2 centimeter. That is equal to 88 centimeter. So the circumference of this circle is 88 centimeter. Now let us go to the B part. Here radius equal to 28 millimeter. Therefore, circumference equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 28 millimeter. We can cancel 7 and 28. Here we get 4. So this becomes 2 into 22 into 4 millimeter. That is equal to 2 into 22, it is 44 into 4 millimeter. That is equal to, that is 44 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. That is 44 into 4, that is 176 millimeter. So circumference of a circle with radius 28 millimeter is 176 millimeter. Now let us go to the C part. Here radius is 21 centimeter. Therefore, circumference equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21 centimeter. Here you can see 7 and 21. You can get this in the table of 7. So we can cancel this by 7. So here we get 3. That is equal to 2 into 22 into 3 centimeter. That is equal to 222. That is 44 into 3 centimeter is equal to 3 fours are 12. Again 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So here the circumference of this circle is 132 centimeter. That is, if we know the radius of a circle, then using the formula C equal to 2 pi r, we can find its circumference. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.